Intoxalock ignition interlock devices are extremely easy to use once you get the hang of them. When you are ready to start your vehicle, make sure to blow into the device before putting your keys into the ignition. Simply press the button and wait for the screen to read blow. Blow into the mouthpiece on the device with medium intensity. Without removing your lips from the mouthpiece, inhale through the mouthpiece like you are sucking through a straw, and immediately blow into the device again until you feel a vibration. If the screen on your device reads Start Car, you can insert your keys into the ignition and start your vehicle.
The amount of time your installation will take may vary depending on the type of vehicle you own. Most installations take a little over an hour, but for other vehicles, such as push-button, hybrids, and high-end vehicles, may take a little longer. Once your installation is complete, the technician will be able to show you how to use your device and will be available to answer any questions. In some states, you may receive a certificate of installation that will be used to verify that you are legally allowed to drive. Within 48 hours following your installation, you should log into MyAccount to electronically sign your lease.
The first thing you should do after scheduling your installation appointment is create an account on our online customer management portal. With Intoxalock MyAccount, we make it easy for you to manage your ignition interlock lease from start to finish without ever having to pick up the phone. Within 48 hours following your installation, you should log into MyAccount to electronically sign your lease. Your online account will provide everything you need to manage your account, including tracking your calibration date and status, viewing your statement, making a payment, and reporting vehicle maintenance.
Throughout the duration of your ignition interlock lease, you will have scheduled calibration appointments at your service center location. Calibrations are required by the state, so it's important to complete your calibration by the due date to avoid service interruption. Your handheld will start counting down to your service date. You will also receive an email or text letting you know that your calibration is coming up. You can place the calibration order through MyAccount or by texting us if you have enrolled in our text messaging program. Next, call your service center to schedule your appointment. There is no need to call Intoxalock. At your calibration appointment, the service center technician will remove your handheld and will test the device to ensure your device is accurately measuring alcohol. The process typically takes 3 to 5 minutes, and your service center will charge a minimal fee for the service provided.
If you notice a countdown on your device and a prompt that says lockout, service required, your device is in need of immediate servicing. Your handheld device may display a number of days left to service your vehicle. A lockout can be caused by many things, including a missed calibration, too many failed startup attempts, failed rolling retests, missed rolling retests, or suspected tampering. You will first need to identify what caused the lockout by reading the message on the handheld. If it was a missed calibration, you will have to complete the calibration at your service center.
If the lockout was caused by a state-regulated violation, you may be able to unlock it in MyAccount.
Make sure to provide passing breath samples moving forward so you don't enter into another lockout. After your initial start, your vehicle will prompt you to provide additional breath samples as long as it's on, even if it's in park. This additional testing is required by the state. Your device will beep when a retest is required. Even though the beep is quite loud, it's a good idea to keep your radio volume fairly low and windows up so you don't miss it. You are required to provide a breath sample anytime the device asks you for a retest, but it's also important that you do so safely. Most states will allow 4 to 6 minutes to provide the retest. This will allow you to find a safe time to provide a breath sample. If you are unable to find a safe time to provide a sample while driving, you can pull off to the side of the road. If you fail to provide the rolling retest or provide a passing sample, your vehicle will not turn off, but your horn and lights may activate, signaling you to pull over and turn off your vehicle. Depending on your state regulations, you may enter a temporary lockout. You will be able to restart your vehicle after the vehicle has been turned off or the temporary lockout expires. In both cases, you must provide a passing breath sample to restart your vehicle. If you are taking your vehicle in for maintenance or servicing, it's important that you register this in MyAccount before you go to the service center or repair shop. This is important in case a power interruption occurs or tests are missed while it is being worked on. Please remember to take a new mouthpiece with you to your appointment for the technician to use. Upon completion of the appointment, please use the same vehicle maintenance form in MyAccount to report completion. You may also use our texting feature to report maintenance anytime. Simply text VM START to 515-200-1599 before and after your vehicle is serviced. When your lease is close to expiring, check in with your monitoring authority to make sure that your device is okay to be removed or if you need to extend your lease. Your monitoring authority could be a probation officer, DOT official, or the ordering judge or court. If you're eligible to remove, think about transferring your device to voluntary status. Intoxalock offers special pricing to those who decide to keep their device installed without a requirement. We are able to do this because we are no longer required to provide reporting to the state or to monitoring authorities.